You wanna pull it in? Oh yeah, you're gonna need this too. This happened to us the other day. It kind of came out of, well, I guess I'll give you guys the backstory in a second, but the Civic tried to kill us the other day when we were out filming for the gauge video. If you guys remember, we took it out for like a really quick spin, and I didn't put in the video, but we were talking about like we gotta be really quick because I know the wheel bearing is like blown, but I was ignorant to the fact of how bad a blown wheel bearing can be. You guys gotta see this. So I'm ignorant to the fact of what a blown wheel bearing can do. I thought it would just hum and make noises, which it did. All the way to Calgary and all the way back, it just hummed and made a little bit of sound. And I was like, oh, that's perfectly fine. We'll just replace it. When we replace it, it's just worn out. It's bad. Then when we drove it the other day, it started clicking and popping when we were on the road. And I was like, oh, that's just like it grinding over dead ball bearings. No, that's the wheel trying to come off. Here's this side, right? This one's good. This one, aside from the stickers, has some fitment that you guys are used to. It looks normal. Oh man, this one's bad. Oh dude, what is it doing? Looks like it got in an accident. This one is like curved into the left. You can put your whole foot in there. Dude, that's so bad. I did not know that that could happen. Oh dude, you're just can't run a man like that, dude. What is happening?
Your axle is not even pulled out.
Yeah, my axle probably just popped right out. So yeah, that can happen. There's a very good chance something broke due to the fact that it was like that. But thankfully it didn't do this while we were driving. Like it was popping back and forth, and then I backed it in the driveway and I heard like the most vicious popping sound you could ever hear. And just getting it from the bottom of the driveway into the garage did this, dude. This is not what we had planned. We actually have something that I've been hinting at for a very long time that's supposed to be going on the Civic, but we can't do it till we take care of this. So today we're gonna be taking care of this. I'm gonna show you guys the cheapest way to fix your wheel bearing, because I looked into it and at Lordco it's like almost $100 for a wheel bearing, and then you also have to get it pressed. So the one in there right now is pressed in, and you have to, I mean, I'm sure you can get it out without a press. You can buy tools and stuff, but like, I don't really want to go buy a bunch of special tools and bearings and all this stuff just to change a bearing. It's so bad. We're gonna fix this thing for 45 bucks today. First, I want to lift it up and make sure that that's what's actually broken, because
maybe we need to buy more parts.
We might need more than just that.
Dude, the whole rotor is spinning.
Dude, something's really bad here. I've broken the tie rod. Oh no, I broke the upper...
The upper one, right? Upper Coquitlam?
Oh man. Oh man. What looks like what happened is, the wheel bearing is obviously really blown, right? And I think what happened was the entire drive home from Calgary, this was rocking, right? Which caused this whole thing to rock. Which somehow broke the cotter pin and then wiggled the bolt loose, because the bolt's gone, but it's not broken. Like, look up in here. Can they see up in here? Is it too dark? Like, this is just chilling up here. It's not broken.
The nut's gone.
The nut's gone though. And there should be a nut there that holds this on and keeps this all in place. So this is broken so bad that it somehow caused this catastrophe to happen. You know what happened? This probably fell out a long time ago, this nut. And then when I was back into the driveway, it flexed so hard that this finally separated, right? Like, it finally had the room to just go and pop off. But until then, like the whole drive home, for all we know, there could have been no nut there, because it never cambered like that until like 2 days ago. So I think what we should do is we should take this off, take this all apart, and then just take this whole thing to the junkyard to make sure we get the right one. I'm pretty sure I say this every time we go to the junkyard. I hate going to the junkyard. I don't like being a junkyard rat, for sure. It's not my favorite place to go, but when it comes to something like this, if it's gonna save you half the money, sometimes you just gotta sacrifice. We need to boost this car. It's so slow now. I used to be okay with it, but like...
This is the point where everyone likes to trade in the cars right now.
Yeah, this is where everybody upgrades, but I'm just gonna boost it instead. He's behind the signs.
What the fuck? Oh, there he is. Look at him, look. Oh! Hit the wall.
Huh?
Hit the wall. No? Dab, dab. Oh, there we go.
Hey, 240. Hey. That one drives.
Thanks.
Just brought this as reference because like if they didn't have any Civics with it, I was gonna maybe take it off an Integra. I don't know. This one looks a little bit cleaner than the other one. There's like something about a junkyard that I love, and there's something about a junkyard that I hate. I love like the hopes and dreams of finding cool stuff. I hate being here. Here's what we're gonna do. Last time we were here, I don't know if you guys have seen the video from last time we were here. I literally ripped one of these off and used it as a torque bar because I forgot the torque bar. I think he's looking for a better solution, but I like my solution. Oh, you found one? Oh, what the hell is that?
Ratchet bending.
Oh.
Is it my ratchet or your ratchet?
I don't know. We're gonna call it mine and we're just gonna take it back to Canadian Tire and get a new one. The question is, how many ratchets did you bring? Because that would be a poor man's choice to bring one ratchet.
We only have one ratchet.
Look, I can't believe you only brought one ratchet. Drag it to them, and then we'll get them to pop the axle off.
Okay.
Just tell them we broke our frickin'
ratchet
tool. All right, we got these things loaded, and then while we're here, we're gonna go back inside and just kind of scope out whatever other cars they have. We just paid for the things so we could put in the trunk so we don't have to walk around with it. Look at Emerson being a good kid and bringing back the axle that we had to get them to take off. So some pretty cool shit happened today, actually. Emerson got a scholarship for school. He didn't even apply for it. He's doing, well, it's cool, man. I never did good in school like that. Like, he's doing so well in school and stuff that, like, doing well. He's like putting in effort, and his teacher saw that. His teacher actually nominated for what would be the word for that? His teacher put him in for the scholarship thing. Like, you're supposed to apply as a student, and Emerson didn't apply as a student. He just got applied without him even knowing it. And then last night they emailed him and was like, yo, you got a scholarship. So he's getting like money off his schooling or money towards his schooling or something, which is pretty cool. You're a smart little fella. Last time I was here, the 240 was right around here. It's the same one though, and I called you, remember? There was nothing. I searched this whole thing. There was nothing useful. This is a solid -5 out of 10. No, dude, this thing probably didn't last 5 minutes. There was probably a lineup of teenagers just ready to this thing in like a month.
I need that.
Why, you don't have one?
No, mine's base model, dude. The dome light. I only have the one in the back.
You wanna see this thing? Man, all that work for this moldy ass light. Damn, there you go, buddy. OEM wiring harness and a dome light. Dude, look at the carpet in this thing. Ew! It's literally green. Disgusting. That is disgusting. All right, we made it back home. We got a nut from the junkyard also to replace this one that we that fell out somewhere on the road. Just dumped that sucker out. I put a bunch of nuts and stuff in there. Wiring harness for the Poo 40. It's gonna go in the pile of poo for the Poo 40. This entire pile. I can't believe I broke another ratchet. Like, that's 2 this month that we've broken. Maybe we need to stop using these as pry bars and start using our big ass pry bar as a pry bar. All right, so to finish this job, I am gonna be borrowing your snap-on ratchet. I will do my best not to break it, but I can't make any promises because I'm on a hot streak of breaking ratchets. And boom, dude, that's how it's supposed to look. So now we're fired back up. We look exactly the same on this side and this side. Thankfully that worked. I did have to cut the dust shield off. You guys can see this mangled mess right here. That's the dust shield. It was bent in a weird way and I couldn't get it to go back. Every time I put the brake on, the dust shield would rub on it. But when the wheel was up, I was shaking the wheel. There's no play. Obviously, we tested it before we brought it home. I also just want to show you guys this really quickly. I got these made for Morgan for her birthday, which is where we're about to go. How cool are these? Because if you guys remember, Morgan has the black wheels, white car, and then we got her purple lug nuts. Look at these, dude. These are like a chrome purple, kind of like my banner on the BRZs, like a chrome gold. These are like a chrome purple committed crew stickers. Dude, these are sick. Seeing them in a color like this kind of makes me want to get some made in a color. I know it would be hard to do because everybody would want different colors, but it would still be really cool to have like maybe a couple different color ones instead of just the white. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys would be into colors, let me know. And the last thing we got to do, let's just take it for a rip. Make sure all my effort was not wasted, and it better not be because if it breaks on the way, we're gonna be late for dinner.
We're already late.
We're not already late for dinner. We're gonna make it right on time.
Someone's on the way.
We're on our way too. I just gotta put some air in the tires.
It's smelly.
The screamer pipe just took a nice fart.
What came out of it?
Exhaust. Courtney hates the screamer pipe. You should see her face. Oh man. Every time it opens, she literally just gets so disgusted by the sound. Why do you hate it so much?
It's just so loud.
It's not that bad.
It sounds like we're gonna like crash.
It does sound like we're gonna crash, but we're not. I think I need to figure out something to do with my alignment now though, because it seems a little bit out. It seems like it's a little bit to the left, but that's okay because what we're doing next requires an alignment anyways.
No. Stop.
There's a police station? There's a police station here?
Yes.
Oh man, you could have told me before I was boosting down the middle of Main Street. That's all we're gonna have for you guys today. We're gonna go out and enjoy Morgan's birthday dinner. So everybody wish Morgan happy birthday in the comments. But today's video wasn't super exciting, but we were just hanging out and doing this. Anyways, we're here. We're gonna go inside, have some dinner with everybody. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed. Lagged, man. Why can't we get one place today without the GPS lag and then we take the wrong turn? We've made like 4 wrong turns today and I literally never make wrong turns. I'm not happy about this. I'm filing a complaint. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the spinners on that hot rod. Stop making that sound.